In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OBS Studio no source selected not showing. Let's get you back to a working layout quickly. Start by opening OBS Studio. One of the most common culprits behind blank or missing overlays is hardware acceleration for browser sources. Open Settings, go to the Advanced tab, scroll down to the Sources section, and uncheck Enable Browser Source Hardware Acceleration. Some graphics drivers don't play nicely with this feature, which can cause web overlays, alerts, and other browser-based sources to appear empty. Disabling it forces a more compatible rendering path and often brings those elements back right away. If your sources panel itself is missing, it may simply be hidden. Go to the View menu, select Docs, and make sure Sources is checked. That tells OBS to show the Sources dock so you can actually see and manage your inputs. If the panel reappears but looks undocked or out of place, that's okay. You can leave it where it is or arrange it later. Still not seeing things where you expect? Use a quick layout refresh. Under the View menu, choose Reset UI. This restores the default OBS layout, which can resolve situations where docks were accidentally closed or moved off screen. Just know this resets your window arrangement, not your scenes or sources. If a video capture device like a webcam or capture card isn't showing, disconnect it and plug it back in, then give the device a moment to reinitialize. Also make sure no other application is currently using the camera. Close any video chat or camera utility apps that might have grabbed it first. OBS can't display the feed if another program has exclusive control. For capturing games or specific apps, add a new game capture source. Set its mode to capture a specific window, then choose the exact application from the list. This targets the program directly, which is more reliable than trying to capture a full display in many cases. Make sure the game or app is open and active so it appears in the drop-down. While you're in the sources list, check the visibility toggle. Each source has an eye icon next to it. If the eye is crossed out, the source is hidden. Click it once to make the source visible again. And if none of these bring your sources back, reinstall OBS, and during installation, ensure the browser source plugin is selected. That component powers web-based sources and widgets, and reinstalling can repair missing or corrupted files. After these checks, you should see your sources again and be ready to record or go live with confidence. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next stream.